everybody. How's everyone doing this evening? And we are back again with another video. And as promised, now I do apologize for the lighting, but as promised, I got my accessories in for the Google Pixel 3a XL. So let's go ahead and unbox them. Then I'm going to give y'all my first impressions and we're going to bring this video to a close. Now, I'm going to just tell y'all up front before we spin the cameras around, the names for these companies, I'm not even going to butcher the names like that, okay? I'm going to just throw up the names of the company on the screen, let y'all see how much I paid for it. Then we're going to get into the unboxing and first impressions, and then we're going to wrap the video up because I'm not going to butcher nobody's name like that, and I'm not going to torture your ears like that. So, without further ado, let's spin these cameras around and let's get this video started. Let's go. I'll see y'all in a second. Alright, so now we are back in, and I'm going to go ahead and give y'all an unboxing and first impressions of this Google Pixel 3a XL accessories pickup that I got. So, I've already pre-applied one of the screen protectors on here, but I still got the case and another screen protector to show y'all. So, let me show y'all the manufacturers and the pricing, and then we'll go through this quick unboxing, and then we'll call this video a wrap, okay? So, took a screenshot here. Here's the name of the companies right here. I'm not even going to try and pronounce those names. And much like the other video, that bottom company for the screen protector, it basically just looks like a string of letters to me. So we're not even going to try it. But you can see the individual pricing right there. And then if I swipe over, you can see the summary from Amazon after the taxes. So that was a total. So I picked up these accessories for a grand total of $13.58. Alright? Alright, let's do this. Let's do this. Now, let's check out the screen protector first, and then I'll try on the case, and we'll keep it moving. Now, I have to say this. The screen protector company, their casing and their presentation is very nice. This has some really clean overall presentation to it. Standard stuff, so oleophobic coating on the screen protector, H9 hardness, bubble-free installation, transparent HD look, okay? It still gives you accurate touch sensitivity as well. That's what this says down here. Flipping it to the back, we got a quick installation guide back here. Alright, pretty much very self-explanatory when we talk about the installation. Real quick tips. Before you install the screen protector on your device, you want to wash and dry your hands thoroughly. Okay. Then you want to turn off all air or all airflow in the room that you're installing the screen protector. Okay. Then you want to take your device and you want to clean the display thoroughly, making sure that you remove all dust and microfibers from the display. Then you want to take out the included screen protector. Okay, so in our case, it's tempered glass. And the one downside I would have to say I had about this screen protector is that it's not edge to edge with the border cutouts. So it's just a plain piece of tempered glass. But the cutouts are perfect, and I really didn't have any issues with the installation. So this is a 2-pack of screen protectors, and as I said, I already installed the first one. But you lay out your screen protector, then you take your dust removal stickers and your wet and dry wipes, and you clean your display again. Once with the wet wipe, once with the dry wipe, being sure again to not drop any hair or fibers on it and remove any existing dust particles. After that point, you take your dust removal stickers and you go through the display one more time, again being extra careful that you get all the existing dust particles off of it, because if you get any hair or dust underneath the tempered glass, you're going to be able to see it and it's not going to perform as efficiently as it should. Okay, so that's a real quick rundown of how you would install the screen protector, and that was pretty much everything that came in the package with the screen protector for the Pixel 3a XL. Alright, so let's close this up. And let's rest this to the side. Alright, and the reason why I get 2 is because if I mess up on the first one, I have an extra. Or if I install the first one perfectly, if somewhere down the line I decide to sell the device, the next person to buy the device from me is not only going to get all the included accessories, but they'll get that nice tempered glass. So that's why whenever I pick up tempered glass in cases, I try to go for 2-packs. So here you can see this is what the device looks like with the tempered glass on it. And it pretty much looks perfect. It has perfect cutouts for the camera, the receiver grill. No issues whatsoever. And it's not border, it's not edge to edge, because they wanted to leave a little bit of space to make the screen protector more case friendly. But in all honesty, it's still super fluid, and my device performs as if I don't have a screen protector on it. And at the end of the day, that's what I was looking for. Okay, super fluid, super snappy, no issues with overall performance and sensitivity. And the big reason why I was in such a rush to get a tempered glass screen protector, aside from my clumsiness, I'm not a big fan of the fact that the 3AXL comes with Dragon Trail glass instead of Corning Gorilla Glass. So because I wasn't too confident as to how the Dragon Trail glass will hold up to scratches, we just went out real quick, fast, and in a hurry, and picked up a nice tempered glass screen protector and a nice carbon fiber case. Y'all know I like that faux carbon fiber. Let's get into the first impressions with the case now. Okay, so checking out the packaging. Pretty basic packaging. I think we've seen this packaging before by other rebranded companies. Okay, and I always try to get me a faux carbon fiber case. Case in point, Pixel 2 XL, faux carbon fiber on deck. Moto G Power, faux carbon fiber on deck. I love me some faux carbon fiber. It's a great look, and it adds grip to an otherwise slippery device at the same time. Love me that faux carbon fiber. Man, I can't talk tonight. But taking the case out the packaging, man, this bad boy looks clean. Removing that little insert, and you can see we do got our diamond pattern on the inside for shock absorption. And we got all of our precision cutouts. So camera cutout, headphone jack cutout, fingerprint sensor cutout, bottom firing speaker cutouts and microphones, USB Type-C port. All the good stuff is here. And again, we got that nice faux carbon fiber. So let's go ahead and slap this bad boy on now. Hold up. Where's my microfiber cleaning cloth at? Let me clean off the back of the device before we slap it in. Clean this down real fast. Alright, and just because, let's go ahead and clean down the front too. Okay, looking good. Throw that microfiber cleaning cloth off the side, and now let's drop it on. Alright, here we go. That goes right on, and you can see it clicks right on. Alright, perfect fit. And you can see we got that nice edge cut out there. Perfect. So it doesn't mess with the screen protector, but we still got maximum protection here. Good stuff indeed. And we do have a nice raised lip on it. So if I want to put it face down, not messing with my display now. Okay. But even still, we got that nice raised lip on there. And again, we got all the precision cutouts. Okay, speaker, charging port, microphones, headphone jack, secondary mic, fingerprint sensor, cameras, nice protective indentation for the cameras as well. So nice raised lip on the cameras. Still got easy access to the fingerprint sensor. Like that, I like that a lot. And the buttons. Still super clicky on the buttons, even though you can't really hear it. I don't have an external microphone hooked up tonight, so you can't really hear it. But super tactile on buttons, still super clicky. Everything works perfectly. And I gotta say, this looks great. So it's got a nice white and black combination look to it, almost like an Oreo. Looks really good indeed. So first impressions of the case is top notch. Same thing for the screen protector. First impressions with the screen protector is top notch as well. Now, I'm going to do what I always do with these accessories. So I'm going to use both of them on the device for about a week, maybe a week and a half. And then I'm going to come back with my full review and let you know how they held up and whether or not they're worth picking up, okay? But that pretty much does it for this unboxing and first impressions of a case and tempered glass screen protector for the Pixel 3a XL. And in my opinion, if you're clumsy like myself, these are must-have accessories. That being said, as always, if you guys and gals find the video helpful and or enjoyable, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. If you would like to see more content like this as it becomes available, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off that notification bell icon right next to it so you get notified when new videos are published. Also, if this video piqued your interest and you would like to know where you can pick up these affordable accessories for your Pixel 3a XL, all the links to where y'all can pick up these recommended accessories will be available down below in the video description. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. And those are affiliate links, so you guys and gals use those links at no additional cost to yourself, but I do get a small percentage of kickback, or, you know, a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel so I can keep producing and bringing you guys and gals content. Alright? So that pretty much does it for this one. This whole video here this evening was recorded using the front and the rear facing cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active. This video was recorded in 720p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. So as always, please let me know what you think of the overall video quality and what you think of the overall audio quality down below. Your feedback, as always, is greatly appreciated. And remember, keep it respectful, please. Alright, I hope everyone is being safe out there. I hope everyone is having a great evening. And I will catch you guys and gals in the next one. We are out of here. Peace.